If you are struggling with questions like, will our projects create the intended effect? Where do we have real problems that we need to fix? What IT applications do we really need? Or if you just want to know, what is actually going on in our business? Then the Milky Way is what you need. So, what is the Milky Way? The Milky Way is an enterprise map. A map showing you what you do in which order, what applications you use while doing this, what information needs to be communicated between different parts of the enterprise, as well as how you interact with your customers and partners. On the 20th of May, you will find a complete Milky Way board in Miro, describing the process of creating your own Milky Way map, how to navigate your enterprise with the help of your map, and how to use your map to accelerate change. This board also includes a template in which to create your Milky Way map. Want to know more? Join our webinar on the 25th of May for a demonstration of the new Milky Way Miro board. Welcome!